Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a really good position for developing nice strong hips, nice strong glutes. It will improve your squat, it will improve most lower body exercises, and if you're aiming for side splits or middle splits, it will really help you on the path to those as well. It's called the horse stance. I'm sure a lot of you have tried it in some conditioning class where they make you hold it, but which is great. Nothing against that, it actually works for that purpose, but this is basically how to get into that position, how to do that position. So how we measure generally a horse stance is through steps. So I'll just get into it and I'll talk as I'm going through. Now ideally, if you're just doing if your aim is the horse stance, you want your legs to be at 90 degrees, the bend in the knees. So we're going to go out, say 4 steps first of all. So every movement of the foot is a step. So heel out, that's 1. Toes out, 2, heel out, 3, and toes out, 4. But you see here, my toes are pointing forward. They're not like this, they're forward. From there, you give your glutes a nice good squeeze, tuck that pelvis under because you don't want your bum sticking out like this. You want to stay nice and flat. Imagine 2 planes of glass right in between you, on either side of you, sorry. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and you just get comfortable so the knees are going out. Everything's tucked under, and there. You stop at your 90 degrees. Make sure you don't cave in, make sure everything's pushing out, like that. So I'll do it from the side. Now, the thing that I feel working the most during my horse stance is my glutes. They're really pulling everything out and open. So that's me in my start position. I'm going to tuck under, knees go out, and I stop at 90 degrees. So as you can see, I'm not like this. I'm as upright as I can be, and I'm constantly working. I'm forcing these knees out the way to make myself as flat as possible. So this is a great progression and a great position if you are working towards your side splits. It just helps build out the flexibility and the strength to control those muscles, to pull yourself into certain positions. So give it a go. You can even use it as a conditioning tool if you're doing a leg circuit, because after a while it does start to burn. So yeah, give it a go, let me know what you think.